Hi, andito kami sa park, sa Mountain Edge Park. Papasyal muna kami, lakad-lakad lang, exercise. Hi, hello. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Lucilla's Kitchen Corners. Today, let's make adobo chicken. So, that's it. Alright guys, so these are the ingredients for adobo chicken. So, I start by marinating the chicken in soy sauce, garlic, and I put a little bit of turmeric. As you can see, there's a little bit of yellow because I put a little bit of turmeric. So I put, I have also soy sauce. I have vegetable oyster sauce, olive oil, some of laurel leaves. I get pepper, garlic, vinegar, and brown rice. I'm sorry, brown sugar. So that's all you need, okay? Alright guys, so let's get started our adobo chicken. Olive oil first, okay? Ooh, be careful. Okay, and then let's put our garlic. Just saute a little bit, okay? Okay. And then let's put our chicken. Alright, now we have all our chicken in our pot. Then we can go ahead and start our soy sauce. Okay, let's mix all of our ingredients, okay? Vinegar, brown sugar, okay? Let's make our pepper. Okay, I'll just put it on. Let's put our vegetable oyster sauce. Okay. Then let's put our laurel leaves so to make it aroma on our chicken. Okay, so let's put a little bit of water, guys. Okay. To boil it, just a little bit only, okay? And then let's cover it and let's wait to boil for 20 to 30 minutes. Just slowly cook, okay? Alright guys, so let's check our adobo chicken. Ooh, yummy! See? Nice. Look at that. It's almost there. Alright, this is our adobo chicken. Now, I like a little bit sauce on it because it's good for your rice. Just added with flavor. Alright. And let's cover it again. Let's cook it more. Alright, so let's double check our adobo chicken. Oh, yummy! Wow! See? Medyo natatanggal na yung mga ano dito, oh. Laman. Malambot na siya. Alright. That's really good. I think this is all cooked. Yeah, this is ready to eat. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and put all our chicken into our bowl. Sarap! This is really good with rice, guys. And this is my yummy adobo. See? It's really good. Sarap. Okay. Okay, let's put all our sauce here. Tikman mo na. Tikman mo.
Ayan, dahon.
Hindi. Ito tikman natin. Yung adobo, lambot, oh. Ang sarap! Ang yummy talaga.
Hindi ko pa nilalasahan.
Hindi pa nalasahan? Ano? Tikman mo. Tikman mo. Tikim lang si mother, tikim. To taste. Sarap? Sarap, no?
Ang sarap ang hanggang.
Sarap, no? Wow, this is really soft, guys. Tingnan mo, sarap. This is really good. Napaka, ano niya. See? Very tender. And that's our adobo. Yummy. Sarap. Alright guys, thank you again for watching Lucilla's Kitchen Corners. I hope you like this video and I'm looking forward to see you guys next time. Bye everyone!